Welcome back, kids. Just going to do a quick update for you, kind of let you see what I've been up to here the past week or so. First of all, you can look at my CNC there, and you can tell ain't a whole lot been going on there except for working on things, not necessarily CNC related. But anyway, let me take you to my new project that I got going. So this used to be our junk room, supposed to have been a spare bedroom, but might turn into a junk room. But I have converted it to my new 3D printing room. Got all my filament up there, and that's my Sunloo S4 filament dryer. Got filament there. A few other things down there, including baby stuff for my granddaughters. And this is my shipping station. And I will be using this eventually. As soon as I can get more of those 7.5-inch wide cedar blanks or cedar boards that I turn into blanks, I will be shipping those out. I talked about that earlier this year, and then about the time I was ready to get cranked up with it, the mill sold out of them, and they hadn't been able to get back on them in quite a while. But eventually, later this year, I will be selling those 16 and 18-inch long by 7.5-inch wide cedar sign blanks. So anyway, I'm set up for that. And that empty spot there, that's where my Elegoo Centauri Carbon is going to go. And it should be shipping just any day based on my order number. I think mine starts with EU 102. So they're getting close. I'm already seeing people on the forums and stuff that are receiving them, and their order number is like 101. So they're within 1,000 of me. And as fast as they're shipping them out, I don't think it's going to take very long. So how many of y'all are into 3D printing? If you are, let me know what kind of setup you have. Are you trying the Elegoo, or do you already have one? If you do, let me know what you think about it. And mainly, I just like to know what y'all use y'all's 3D printer for. I'm really not sure what I'm going to use it for. It just, that Elegoo deal back in the spring was really too good to pass up at $2.99 for a 3D printer. So I took a shot on it. But anyway, it should be coming soon. So let me know what y'all think about 3D printing in general, what your experiences have been. Is it profitable to you? Do you use it in conjunction with your CNC hobby? Just let me know what y'all think about it, because I'm really going to be looking for, jobs for it. Right now, the only thing I got planned is just making stuff for the grandkids. But eventually, once I learn how to really use it, I'd like to maybe make it into a profitable business at some point. I do foresee that I could easily end up with, a bunch of 3D printers there. So just depends on how this first one goes. I'm just testing the waters. All right, I also need to let y'all know that I've got a new video coming out on or about the 20th of this month. So just a few days from now. I've had it ready for about 2 weeks, but I've had to sit on it because the manufacturer of this new product that's going to be released has told me to not say anything until he's ready to actually start shipping these things. So, with that, we're just going to have to wait. I hope y'all had a great Father's Day today, and I'll see y'all in just a few days. Until then, here's some videos to keep you occupied until I'm back. Thank y'all for watching.